Hi, Angela Wolf here with a quick sewing tip. Do you ever have problems sewing stretch denim or doing top stitching on a garment and you end up with all of your stitches floating? Sewing stretch denim is similar to sewing knits. You have to account for that stretch. If you sew just a simple straight stitch, stretch it, put it back on, you're going to pull out all the bobbin threads. Let me show you one of my favorite stitches. From the sewing screen, there's a few stitches that you could use for stretch denim, but my favorite is this, what I call the triple stitch. It has 3 rows of stitches on your screen, and this comes on many different brother machines. The next thing you want to do is adjust the length a little bit longer. 3.5 to 4.0 is usually my favorite for jeans. Thread the machine with just standard universal thread. There's no need to use a denim thread or a thicker thread for this stitch. Put the same regular thread in the bobbin, and you'll notice the machine will go back and forth. I'll put it on a little bit slower speed for you. It goes forward, back, and forward. So every single stitch is 3 layers of thread. And look at how good that stitch looks. And that's my favorite stitch for sewing stretch denim. This also works for jean jackets. Any thicker fabric that has a little bit of stretch, use that triple stitch, and every time you put the outfit on, it stretches out to fit your body, goes back into place, and your bobbin stitches don't rip out. Again, I'm Angela Wolf. For more sewing tips and tutorials, be sure to visit brothersews.com and angelawolf.com. Until next time, happy sewing.